Welcome to my Agent Prompt Builder, where you can create humanized AI prompts for blogs, sales pages, and funnels. This is going to be a free tool. It's going to save you a massive amount of time and energy. Watch this video. It's only going to be a few minutes long. Shouldn't take too long. And enjoy using this tool. If you like what you see, the link's directly below in the video description box. You can generate long-form blog posts, sales pages, and funnel audits with humanized prompts for Deep Agent, ChatGPT, Manus, and Abacus. Free, simple, and SEO friendly. So what you're going to do, I'm going to show you how to use this real quick. And like I said, the link's going to be directly below. You can check this out for yourself. And it's going to save you a massive amount of time. Instead of you messing around on ChatGPT or your favorite large language model, trying to come up with the perfect prompt, this is going to do all that for you. I got built-in humanization with 10 humanization rules, so it's going to be written like a human. It's not going to sound like a robot wrote it, which is a huge, huge plus. Plus, when you're writing content, it's a really good prompt, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So let me show you how to use this. Content type, you got primary topic, working title, audience, tone, target keywords, target length, offer, URLs to include, must include talking points, comma separated, paste any notes. Now your output, you're going to get an HTML WordPress ready. So all you got to do is copy and paste the HTML code from, I use Deep Agent mostly, from like Deep Agent, Manus, whatever you're using as your agent, and it's going to, you just copy and paste it into WordPress, and you got a working, your blog post is live or whatever it is you may be doing. You click generate prompt here, and it gives you a prompt. You're going to click copy, download text, where it's going to actually, watch this. You're going to get a download right here. You can open it up, and you can see your prompt right here for later. Look at the humanization styles. Conversational flow, talk like a real person, not a robot. Use contractions, quick asides, and natural rhythm like you're chatting over coffee. Gary Halbert energy, direct, emotional, persuasive. You grab the reader by the collar in the first line and don't let go until the call to action. Story and relatability, burstiness and pace, simple language, talk like a 5th to 8th grader. Small words, big impact, no AI sounding words. Many imperfections, light humor and personality, empathy and encouragement, forward thinking and opinionated, organic SEO integration. Keywords slide in naturally, no stuffing. The focus stays on flow and trust. So Google loves it and humans share it. And you can see this is your prompt. And all you got to do is copy and paste this into, like I said, your favorite large language model. And all you do is fill out these. It's real simple. Blog post, sales page, clicks but no sales funnel audit. And put in your primary topic. A couple of these are optional. You don't have to. If you don't want to, your audience, put in there your tone, friendly and conversational. You got the Gary Halbert style, authoritative and data-backed, high-energy YouTube style. Put in your target keywords here, URLs, and you're off to the races. You can click copy here, download text. If you want to use this tool again, you click reset. And then this is the generate prompt button where it's going to, once you fill out the boxes above, it's going to generate your prompt. And then once you got your prompt, we're going to copy it. We're going to go on over to Deep Agent, paste that in here, and you can see the prompt here. Agent notes for Deep Agent. Treat this as a single, uninterrupted task. Do not self-truncate. Preserve headings and lists exactly as requested. If output exceeds your token window, which it won't, continue in numbered parts until complete. You are writing for marketers looking for ways to make money with Deep Agent. Primary topic, angle, how to make money with Deep Agent. That would be your title. Target length, 8 to 10,000 words. Desired tone, direct. Offer to weave in, soft, natural. And then I got my link that I put in there to one of my sites, jaysonlinereviews.com. Then it's got SEO targets, primary keywords, AI for marketers, how to make money with Deep Agent. Use exact match naturally in header 1, header 2. First 100 words, image, alts, and call to action blocks. Include LS1 variants naturally in subheadings and facts. Required talking points, and this is what I put in that one of the inputs for the tool. Humanize AI content and talk about newest strategies to make money with Deep Agent. Reference notes, examples, preserve voice when useful. Add the title of the blog post at the top. Humanization styles, J's 10. We already went through all these, but that's built into the prompt. Output format, use semantic headings, bullets, bold leads, skimmable, simple language, target 5th to 8th grade reading level. And then it's got an H1 structure, and then you got the structure for your actual blog post here. It's going to put in here. What's broken now, the symptoms. You got different. It also includes a fact section. 10 to 20 items, 100 to 150 words each. Collapsible ready. Final call to action, one link. Use these, and these are going to be the call to action links you use inside the tool. And then the deliverables. Write the full piece now, end to end, 800 to 10,000, fully formatted in HTML. Include a clear title using the H1 suggestion above. Place at the very top. Facts, and it tells you what to do here. Add soft call to actions, and once again, it says if length exceeds your max, continue output in sequential parts until complete. And with this, you're not going to have to worry about that. And then you click go, and it's going to start generating your blog post based on all these humanization rules and all the rules that we set using this free tool. See, it's working right here. It might ask you a few questions, and all you got to do if you want to answer for a question, you want the answers to these, kind of go over it. Just copy and paste these into, I use ChatGPT. You want to go over to ChatGPT, start a new chat, and just type in, answer these questions. And paste it in there. It's not going to know because I started a new chat here, but my old chat will remember this. It actually might. So you just copy and paste and make sure it's what you want, and then it's going to start building out your blog post. So this is going to save you a lot of time, and you're going to get great humanized prompts in seconds, so you don't got to sit around and create blog posts all the time for all the various agents that you're using. So if you want to check this out for yourself, links directly below in the video description box. And you can also grab my free tools right underneath it. You can grab that AI Toolkit Vault. I got 20 plus AI-powered marketing tools you can grab for free directly under that video. So if you like this video, if you have any questions about the tool or any questions in general, send me a comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.